Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device and tools. Enable developer options right away and install a reliable mock location app from the Play Store. This is the only supported path on Android to override GPS. Once done, you must set that mock app as the permitted Select Mock Location app in developer options. Make sure Wi-Fi and GPS are on so Maps reads location sensors. These steps establish control without altering system files or routing, which you should avoid. Next, you set and verify the mock location inside the mock app. Open developer options and choose the mock app you installed. This authorizes it. Then, in the mock app, drop a pin or enter exact coordinates and start the mock service. Now open Google Maps and watch the blue dot. It should follow the mocked coordinates. If Maps still shows your real location, close Maps fully, stop location caching, and relaunch to force an update. To finish, stop the mock service and restore normal location behavior by deselecting the mock app in developer options. This returns Google Maps to real GPS. If Maps lags or reverts, clear Maps cache or reboot the device, and make sure the mock app runs in the foreground with needed permissions. If Google detects inconsistent signals, disable location history temporarily and recheck conflicting apps. These final steps protect accuracy and let you resume normal navigation without residual interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.